Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited. Under the hood we have a 3.2 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the brilliant black. It looks fantastic. You get the chrome accenting on the front here with that Jeep logo. As well, you do have bifunction halogen projector style headlights there, and you do also have your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side we have 18-inch rims with Continental brand tires. Those rims look very nice, and those tires still have lots of tread left on them. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there. Looking all nice. You do also have the windshield de-icers, and coming all the way to the back, you do have your Limited logo there and your backup camera. Now, you just gotta press this button here to open it up. I do have the key in my pocket. Now, lots and lots of room back here, tons of storage. You can lift this up as well. There's extra storage just underneath, and it is very soft to the touch, and nothing will be getting scratched up. You do have some additional storage in there and in there. We got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, it'll get nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside and be all cold. But it also has proximity keyless entry, so if you have your key on your person, you put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. You got your button there to lock it as well if you did want. Now on the door here, you do have some silver accenting here. You have the controls over your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out there. You got a leather here on the armrest with your little bit of storage there. And you do have some storage just down here, the water bottle holder. Lots of room in here. It looks fantastic. Leather interior, feels great. You do have the controls over your seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then you do have the controls over your lights right here, so you have your on, your off, your daytime running lights, and your auto. And then you also have your you have your fog lights there and your in-cabin light control right here. And then right up here, you have the control over our turning signals and our high beams. Okay, keys in my pocket. All we gotta do is press the button with our foot on the brake, and it starts right up. In the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now, it does also say that we need some fuel, which is very true. It does also say that 17 degrees outside, we're facing north, and we are in park. We can also change that around to our vehicle info. We got our fuel economy, trip info, stop-start options, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and then you're back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel here with your call-out button, your voice recognition, and your hang-up button. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Right over here, we do have the control over our windshield wipers. And then around the back of the steering wheel, we do have a volume up and down button with a source changer right in the center. And we do also have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here. So we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM. Plus we do have our media tab if we wanted to hook something up through SD card. You have your Bluetooth, you have 2 different USB plugins, and an aux cord. You also have the control over your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and your passenger, as well as your mirror dimmer. Then you got your apps here. You have your climate control, dual climate for you and your passenger. Have different levels of heat or cold. You got your map here if you want to see where you were. And then you also have your phone options here. And then right down here we do have our hazard lights. And then we have our volume up and down with the mute. Our AC, our circulation heat up and down. We have our power up and down, off, auto. And then the defrost here. You get your screen off, your traction control, your stop start. Then you also have your back button and your browser there. Down here we do have the we have our SD card slot and aux cord, as well as our USB plug-in. And this guy's actually a terrain select, so we can switch that around to snow, sport, or sand and mud mode. It just changes how the vehicle drives a little bit. Then you got your gear shift here just like that, and when you are in reverse, you got that backup camera, always handy to have. We also right here have our electric park brake, so all you gotta do is pull it back with your foot on the brake, and now we're in park. And then to deactivate, you push it down. 2 cup holders here, and our armrest. We got our top layer right here, and our bottom layer right there. We got lots of room in there. You got a USB plug-in as well. And then over here we do have our locking glove box. Lots of room in there, and you do have your owner's manual as well. Then up top here we do have the controls over our sunroof, on our shade, as well as the lights. And you also have your sunglass holder right there. And for the sunroof, it is a panoramic sunroof. It is huge, lets in tons of lights, and it looks fantastic. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here, you do have your handle. You have the controls over the windows. Got another handle here and some storage down there. Lots of room back here as well. It is leather as well. It looks fantastic. Feels great. You can pull this down. You got an armrest with some cup holders, and you can also fold this down just like this, and you got some room. You can put stuff in there, maybe something a little bit longer as well. That does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.